एके वटेन पणजे मार्केटातले टेनंट्स महापालिकेक रेंट भरिनात, नोटिशी धाडूनय अग्रीमेंट साइन करिनात। जीएसआयडीसीन मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्साचे 3 कोटीचे लायटीचे बिल बुडयला। आता बिलाक लागून सीसीपी जीएसआयडीसीक बरयतली। जीएसआयडीसीन मार्केट बांदतना टेम्पररी कनेक्शन घेतिल्ले म्हूण महापौर सुरेन फुतार सांगता। महापालिकेचो परमनंट स्टाफ कोणाक आयकना ताका डीएमएन कॉमन कॅडर केल्ले जाय। महापालिकेचे बसकेन विशय आयले।
पणजे महापालिकेचे मिटिंगेत कांय विशयावेल्यान नगरसेवकांचे बरेच वाजले। महापालिकेचो परमनंट स्टाफ कामाक जड जाला, कोणाक आयकना म्हूण महापौरूच सांगता। जीएसआयडीसीन खंय सुमार 3 कोटीचे लायटीचे बिल भरिल्ले ना।
A staff who works here for 32 years, what he says, mayor 1 वर्साचो, councillor 5 वर्साचो, आमी सदां आसतले. So they are least bothered of what we say, what we do. And administration is completely low. 15 to 18 contract staff which are there, they are running the show. Common cadre staff can be transferred anywhere. DMA sends a letter to my shop. Last paragraph it says it will affect the 74th Amendment Act. I am surprised till that no 74th Amendment Act has come in any municipality or any corporation. Bill 1 light bill is the name of GSRTC. GSRTC has taken a temporary connection during the time of construction. So the commissioner will write to the GSRTC asking when did you take the temporary connection and when did you hand over the new municipal market to CCP. So for that gap period, they have to pay the bills. What is coming in CCP, we will pay. But we have to write to the government to say that okay, if we are paying, don't charge us interest and compound interest for no fault of us.
मार्केटातल्या दुकानदारांच्या रेंटाचो इश्यू अजून सुटना। सीसीपीच्या नोटिशींक पसरकार रिस्पॉन्सूच दिनात आणि भाडे भरिनात। टेनंट्सांनी अजून एग्रीमेंट साइन केल्ले नात। हायकोर्ट नजर दवरून आसा।
I am sending a loud and clear message to all the market tenant association, our friends of Panjim. We are not against anybody. We want everybody to do business. You run a business, you pay us the rent. We keep the market clean. We have to paint the market, which is 12, 15 years old. All lights are not working, fans are not working. You require money. So everybody should come and sign with their documents. If they are happy, we are happy. Who is stopping them? Which force is stopping them from coming to CCP and signing the agreement? I don't know. But I only want to say this will not last for long because the High Court is monitoring it every 3 months. You can't stretch it further.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि सुभाष खुटवळकार।
इराण मेक्सिकोक 2-1 गोलान हरोवन अंडर-17 वर्ल्ड कपाच्या क्वार्टर फायनलीन पावली। फातोड्ड्या जाल्ले मॅचीन इराणान पेजात सुरवात करतना पयल्या 8 मिनटांत 2 गोल तो। 4 फावटी अंडर-17 वर्ल्ड कपान वांटो घेवपी इराण पयलेच फावट क्वार्टर फायनलीन पावल्यात। क्वार्टर फायनलीन ते स्पेना आड खेळटले। इतले मजगती क्वार्टर फायनल खेळूंक यूएसए टीम गोंयान पावली।
Knocks the keeper and doubles the lead. Certainly lobbed over the goalkeeper. Keeper not taking any chances. Looked like it was just heading wide. Should have gone in the box. Now it did. Half chance for De La Rosa. Still drilled it. Not so much power, but perfect placement. Two waiting in the middle. Goalkeeper's clawed it out only as far as Diego Lainez. It is Torres who delivers, and it's off the frame of the goal, and they couldn't.
Well, we made 2 mistakes at the beginning of the match, and that was just key. Afterwards, it was too difficult to come back. One thing is to play nice, good football, but what counts are the goals, and we were unable to score more goals. So that's why we lost tonight. Your questions, please. First question.
Always I said to my players that 2-0 is a very dangerous result. If the opponent scored a goal, the continue of the match was so tough.
ولی فکر می‌کنم که نیمه دوم این که تونستیم تیم مکزیکو در بخش اول گفته بودم خیلی خوب هستن کنترل بکنیم نقطه روشنی.
Anyway, I think that that result that in the second half we control the result of the match is good point for us.
मजगती फातोड्डे ग्राउंडार क्वार्टर फायनल खेळपाक USA टीम गोंयांत पावली. शेनवारा 21 ऑक्टोबराक ते इंग्लंड जपान मॅचीत जो जिखता ताचे आड खेळटले. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटा. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करा. नमस्कार.